Hello, lovely people. I hope everyone is doing well by God's grace. Come along with me and let's make a quick fix beef fried rice. So I've nicely washed and sliced my beef. I'll season it with garlic powder, onion powder. I also add black pepper, Adumgo's natural steaming powder. You can find her on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. My beef seasoning, salt. I'll add in my cornstarch, dark soy sauce. After that, I'll grate in some fresh ginger. This will take your beef fried rice to another level, and then I'll give it a nice mix. Once that is mixed, if you have time, leave it to marinate for maybe 10 to 15 minutes. But I was hungry, so yeah, let's get right into making the fried rice. So I've added in some oil into my wok. I allowed it to heat up, and then I'm gonna be frying my beef until it is nice and tender and well done. 5 minutes after the beef went into the wok, I gave it a nice mix, and then I'll be turning this or stirring it until it is tender and very well done. If today is your first time on this channel, hello and welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you have not subscribed yet, please kindly subscribe so that you can be part of this family. Thank you. After the beef was well done, I came in with my sliced onion, carrots, and celery. I'll be stirring this for about a minute or two, and then I'll come in with my dark soy sauce and my oyster sauce. To my amazing returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support and always coming back to watch my videos. God bless you. This was a quick fix fried rice, so I used like a week-old rice. It was a one-pot rice that I made, and guys, the little bit that was left in the refrigerator, I decided to create this beef delicious fried rice. So I've also added in my cracked eggs, okay, to the beef, and then I'll allow the eggs to cook maybe for a minute or two, and then I'll stir everything together. This is a quick fix beef fried rice, or a quick fix rice. It was for lunch, okay? So you can use white rice or any rice, jollof rice, any rice that you have in your refrigerator to create this. I'll now add in some green peppers. You can use any of the colors of the peppers. And then I added in my rice. Like I said, this was a one-pot rice that I made for the kids. And then they're not eating it anymore, so I decided to create this delicious beef fried rice. So we'll be stirring this or mixing this until it is nicely heat through. And then we'll add in the scallion. And the rice should be ready in no time. We don't need any extra seasoning. The rice was very nice and flavorful. Okay, and like I said, you can use white rice to create this. You just have to season your rice, to your taste. And once it was nicely heated through, I added in my chopped scallion and I left it on for about a minute. And guys, the rice was done. It was so delicious, it was quick, it was flavorful. And I paired this with shito. I have to always have fried rice with shito. You can pair it with yum yum sauce, any sauce of choice. Okay, and it was time to serve and enjoy. This is a very quick video, and this rice was so flavorful. So I hope you give this a try, and if you do, please kindly leave me a feedback and let me know how it turned out. You can follow me on all social media platforms: Instagram Abenasia Recipes, TikTok Abenasia Recipes, Facebook Abenasia Recipes. Thank you so much for staying with me until this time, and until I come your way next time, please stay safe and stay blessed. Bye guys.